Imagine an AI app earns millions of dollars in a few months after its launch. Sounds impossible? But it can be possible with a unique app idea and the right development approach. ChatGPT, the generative AI sensation, is the biggest example of understanding the potential of AI apps. ChatGPT has gained 180 million users within months of launch, which is insanely higher than top applications like Meta, Instagram, and other top social media sites. This helped OpenAI to become a billion-dollar company. Another big example of an AI app that has generated millions of dollars in a few months of its launch is Lensa AI, a photo editing app. This AI app went viral for AI avatars that pulled in over $8 million in a single month. If you're an entrepreneur watching this and thinking, I have an idea to build a unique AI app that pulls millions of users, but I find it complex and expensive to build the solution, you're not alone. Today, you don't need to be a tech genius to build an AI app, but yes, you must have a great idea that pulls users. Why is now the time to build an AI app? There is nothing wrong with saying that we're in the AI gold rush. If we look at the AI market, it is projected to reach $407 billion by 2027. Today, businesses using AI in their apps see a 30 to 50% increase in productivity and decision-making speed. From creating personalized shopping experiences to automating customer support, AI is reshaping every industry. So what are you waiting for? Craft your AI app idea into a powerful digital solution. In this video, you will explore the steps to build your AI app, along with the cost, the industries that make AI apps the most, and how Apptunix will help you launch your dream AI app. How to build an AI app. Define the problem you're solving. This step is all up to your idea and app type. Here, you have to ask yourself questions like, is it a task for chatbots, digital assistants, a task automation app, a data analysis tool, or another type of AI app? Collect and prepare data. Remember, your AI is only as smart as the data you feed it. So you have to use quality data sets, either public or your own, to train your model accurately. Choose the right AI model. Choosing the right AI model is one of the most important steps. Whether it's NLP, computer vision, or generative AI, pick the right one that fits your goal. Build a scalable backend. To build a scalable backend, you must use frameworks like TensorFlow, FastAPI, or PyTorch, and cloud services like AWS or Google Cloud. You have to make sure it handles data-heavy tasks smoothly. Design a simple but powerful UI. Here, we say simple because your users don't care about complex tech. They want a clean, fast, and intuitive design. So design a simple but powerful AI and let your AI shine behind a seamless UI. Test, train, repeat. Before launching and scaling your app, testing and training take place. AI needs feedback to grow smarter. Test with real users, fine-tune the model, and keep improving over time. Launch and scale. As we understand the market, start with an MVP, gather real-world insights, and iterate fast. Once you see traction, scale features and optimize performance. So, these were the 7 steps that will help you build your own AI app successfully. Now, before telling you how we will help you build your AI app, let's understand app development cost. A basic AI app can be developed for $25,000, $50,000. A medium complexity AI app can be developed for $50,000, $70,000. But a highly complex AI app requires up to $100,000 or more. Whatever your requirements, Apptunix is here to help you. You don't have to do it alone. We help you build your AI app from scratch in the most affordable way. Indeed, it takes time to develop an AI app, up to 6 months or more, but the time will be worth it. So if you've been sitting on an idea, this is your sign. Build it, launch it, scale it. Click the link in the description now to connect with us.